In this video, I'm going to show you how to set themes for Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If you want to personalize your workspace and make Cursor feel more comfortable to use, changing the theme is one of the quickest ways to do it. A better theme can reduce eye strain, improve visibility, and make your coding environment feel much more organized. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open the Cursor AI application on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look at the top menu and go to File. From there, open Preferences. In the Preferences menu, find the Theme section and then click on Color Theme. This is where Cursor AI lets you choose the look and feel of the editor. When the Color Theme menu opens, you'll see a drop-down list with different theme options available. Take a moment to browse through the choices and pick the one that you prefer. Some themes may be darker and easier on the eyes, while others may be lighter and help with visibility, depending on your environment. Once you find a theme you like, click to select it, and Cursor will apply it right away. You should see the interface update immediately so you can preview the new look. If you want, you can always go back and try another theme later until you find the one that feels best for you. That's really all it takes to set themes for Cursor AI. Just open the app, head into File, Preferences, Theme, Color Theme, and choose your preferred option from the drop-down. It's a fast way to customize your setup and make the editor work better for your style. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.